guys, my name's Nikki. I'm starting this channel. I want to post a lot of my creative things. I do arts and crafts for my kids' school and bulletin boards and all sorts of fun stuff. So I'm going to be doing some of that, and I'm also going to be doing some makeup and some eyelashes and tanning and fun things like that. But the main reason I want to do this channel is for inspiration. I know there's a lot of you out there that feel like you're alone and feel like you're don't have anyone to turn to, and I'm sure you're going through bullying or hateful people at school or work, and I kind of just want to be that uplifting person for you in your life. I have 2 daughters, 2 dogs. That one was Roxy. You'll hear them in the videos a lot. They never shut up. Roxy, shh. I have 2 daughters, 10 and 4. Ryan is 10, Reagan is 4. I've been married to my best friend for 10 years. We've been together 16. His name's Chris. He's awesome. You'll see him too from now and then. My first video is going to be about self-acceptance and just kind of giving off your inner beauty. And not worrying about what people see on the outside as much. I mean, yes, it feels good to get our hair done. It feels good to put makeup on. It feels good to work out if you're a guy and you want to have big muscles. I mean, you always want to put out that looking good and feeling good vibe. But the feeling good vibe is so much more important. You can take the prettiest person out there, and if they're mean or conceited, it just makes them ugly. So on my channel, I want to help you guys, so please post in the comments how you feel, what you're going through. I'll try. I have seen it all in my life, so I have a lot of good advice to give. And for you haters out there, just let this be a fun channel for people to come to and have an ear, because I'm willing to listen, and I really don't want any mean or hateful comments on my page. I'm sure there's going to be people out there that are going to rip on me for my wrinkles or my crooked teeth or whatever, and that's fine. I can take it, but I don't want people that come to me for advice to get ripped on in the comments. So let's just be a good supporting channel and help people out there that really are feeling alone. My next video is coming up soon. It's going to be about self-esteem. So like my videos, and let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll talk soon. I hope you guys come back. Thanks.